Okay, good morning students. Let's move on further with our reading the sounds of the letters. Okay, so I have the first letter in today's set is going to be D. Okay, so let's do this. So it is going to be D for dog, D, D, dog. Then I have over here D for doll, D, D, doll. D for duck, D, D, duck. Okay, so the sound of the letter D is D. The sound of the letter D is D. The sound of the letter D is D. Okay, let's do it again. D for dog, D, D, dog. D for doll, D, D, doll. D for duck, D, D, duck. Okay, then I have the letter E. What comes after D? After D we have the letter E. Okay, so we have E for egg, egg. E for engine, engine. E for elephant, elephant. So the sound of E is eh. The sound of E is eh. Let's do it again. E for egg, egg. E for engine, engine. E for elephant, elephant. Then we have the next letter is F. Okay, so let's do the phonics. Let's do the sounds of F. So the sound of F is F. Okay, the sound of F is F. Okay, so it is going to be F for fish, fish. F for fox, fox. F for flower, flower. Let's do it again. F for fish, fish. F for fox, fox. F for flower, flower. Then we have letter G. Okay, so the sound of G is G. The sound of G is G. So it is going to be G for girl, G, girl. G for goat, G, goat. G for gate, G, gate. Again, G for girl, G, girl. G for goat, G, goat. G for gate, G, gate. Okay, then this is the second part जिसमें हमने letter D, letter E, letter F and letter G किया है. Okay, so let's do the sounds again. The sound of letter D is D. The sound of letter D is D, D, D. Okay, the sound of letter E is eh. The sound of letter E is eh. So it is going to be eh, eh. The sound of letter F is F. The sound of letter F is F. So it's going to be F, F. The sound of letter G is G. The sound of letter G is G. So it's going to be G, G. Okay, keep practicing. Thank you.